Hello friends, welcome to Developers Tube channel. My name is Ismail Saudagar, and today in this video we are going to discuss about publisher and subscribers in C Sharp. And this we will do by using the delegates, and after that I will show you by using the events. So let's go to our topic. So before going to our topic, I want to say that please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's discuss about the publisher and subscriber model. Publisher is a class which sends some notification when some action or thing happens. Subscriber is a class which receives this notification or listen this notification from the publisher. We can achieve publisher and subscriber model by using delegates and events. Using events for publisher and subscriber is recommended. Using events for publisher and subscriber is recommended because due to events, publisher has full control over publishing and no other class like subscriber can perform publish. In case of delegate, there is possibility of publishing a notification from subscriber also because subscriber gets the object of publisher and have access to invoke method of delegate. Why publisher and subscriber model? This is the need of enterprise applications where next actions are depend on the completion of earlier or other actions. And to notify to the actions or work which is to be performed after requires publishing of notification by publisher. Real world examples are notify the subscriber when latest news comes. If new video is uploaded, the subscriber of that channel should be notified with the new video link. In the e-commerce applications, messages are sent to the customer when their order crosses some stages of delivery, like ready for shipping, dispatch, delivered, etc. Steps for creating publisher and subscriber model. So there are some steps for creating the publisher and subscriber model. First, we need to create one delegate and then create an event in the publisher class of type the earlier created delegate. Create the method that will raise the event in the publisher class. Assign the method of the subscriber class to the delegate of publisher class. Those should be called when the publisher class raises an event. Example in Visual Studio. Now we will see the example of publisher and subscriber model in the Visual Studio. Here in the Visual Studio, you can see that I have created one project. Name of the project is publisher and subscriber. This is a console application. In this project, I have created one publisher class you can see here and two subscriber classes. There is subscriber 1 and subscriber 2. First, I will go into the publisher class and I will show you what publisher class contains. So in the publisher class, you can see that I have created one delegate. Name of the delegate is custom delegate. This delegate does have return type is void, means this delegate will hold the reference of the method that will not return any value. And you can see that this delegate is having one parameter, name of the parameter, type of the parameter is string and name is message. So this delegate will hold the reference or will call the method which will return no value or void, and it will take one argument of type string. Now you can see that I have created the publisher class, and in the publisher class, I have created one variable of the custom delegate which I have created earlier, and I have assigned null here to this delegate variable. And in the publish class, I have created one method. Name of the method is publish, and in this publish method, I am raising this delegate or invoking the method of the delegate. So from here, I will raise or I will publish the message. So this method is publish method I am using for publishing the messages. Now I will show you the subscriber class. So this is my subscriber 1 class. And in this subscriber 1 class, I have created one variable of publisher class that is underscore p, and I have assigned null value to it. And in the subscriber 1 constructor, I'm taking the object of the publisher class and I'm assigning this object to publisher variable that is underscore p. This object I'm assigning into underscore p. And here I have one method, name of the method is receive message. And This receive message takes one string argument and it returns void, means it does not return any value. And this receive message prints the line on the console screen, that is subscriber one plus received message here. So it will print subscriber one and the received message. Now I have another subscriber class. Name of that subscriber class is subscriber2, and this subscriber class has one publisher variable POBJ of type publisher, that is publisher class. And the constructor of this subscriber2 takes the object of the publisher class and assign this object to the variable of this P underscore POBJ of publisher. And this subscriber2 class is having received message one method, and it prints the message on the console. First it will print subscriber2, then it will print the received message from the publisher. Now I will show you here the program class. In this program class, I am creating one object of publisher class. Name of the object is P, and then I am creating the object of subscriber one class, that is S1, and I am sending this P object of publisher class to subscriber one. And then we have created custom delegate in the publisher class. So to this custom delegate variable, this is the custom delegate variable of custom delegate, I am assigning method of S1 object, that is subscriber one. Means here I am initializing this delegate with receive message of the S1 subscriber one, and that is receive message of S1 or subscriber one class. And in the next line I am creating object of subscriber two class. Name of the object is S2, and I am sending P object of publisher class to the constructor of the subscriber two. And here I am initializing the custom delegate of publisher by another method, that is S2 dot received message, means received message method of subscriber to I am assigning to custom delegate, or I am means attaching I am adding the reference of this to custom delegate. So you can see that here I am using plus equal to, because we can attach, or we can assign any number of methods to the delegate. So this delegate, when it will raise it will raise an event. So at that time all these method which we have assigned to this custom delegate will be called. Now here for raising the event, I am calling the publish method of subscriber class. You can see in the definition, this line is used for raising the event. So here I am calling custom delegate dot invoke, and it will raise this message from here. You have new notification. So this publisher will publish this message, and we are using custom delegate dot invoke method. So this will call all the method which we have assigned to custom delegate. So we are using publish method for raising or publishing the message. And after that, I am reading I have used read line method, console.readline, that is used for taking one input from the user on the console screen. So at that time, we can see the output. So now I will run this program and I will show you the output on the screen. So you can see on the output screen, we have two messages, that is subscriber one, you have new notification, and subscriber two, you have new notification. It means that subscriber one has received the message which is published from the publisher class, that is you have new notification, and also subscriber two has received the message from the publisher. So this is the publisher and subscriber model by using delegate. But by using delegate, there are two problems with this. In the program class, we are calling the publish method for publishing the message, and also we can do here like p dot invoke p dot publish. So there are two problems with the delegates which I will discuss with you. So here, when I go, you can see that I can write like this: p dot custom delegate dot invoke and blank message means I am publishing the message from the program class. So that is one problem. And in the publisher subscriber model, it should be like publisher only can publish the message. But you can see that we can publish the message, this blank message from program class. So this is the problem with the delegate, means we can have access to this invoke of the delegate. Another problem is that if suppose we are using the delegate, custom delegate, so here suppose there were two already methods which were attached to this delegate, but when we have used equal to sign, so because of the equal to, it will cancel all the earlier methods which were assigned to this delegate, and only this last receive message or the last attached method to the custom delegate will be present, because uh, if because it takes the equal to sign, and because of the equal to earlier will be cancelled, means. And you can see that in the next line here, for the subscriber to, we are using plus equal to. So because of this, when we are using plus equal to, so this is also present, is also attached to this, and this one is also attached. But if I will use only equal to, so the first method will be cancelled from the custom delegate. And if I will run this, so in this case, only last method attached will be called. I will share the screen. So you can see that only one message is present here, that is related to subscriber to, means subscriber to is only receiving or subscribing to the method, because when we have used equal to while attaching or initializing the delegate with the next method, when we use equal to, it cancels the earlier attached method. So this is one problem. And the another problem is that this line is used for subscribing, and we are doing the subscribing in the program class, since we are subscribing to publisher in the program class, but it should not happen. Only in the subscriber class only the subscription or subscribing should be there, and that code should not be means available to the other classes which are not subscriber. But here you can see that in the program class we are doing this. So instead of this, we should have one method that will subscribe to this publisher, means p dot custom delegate, and we are attaching the method. So this is the one problem. So we can remove this problem by using the events, because when we use events, you can only you have to use the plus equal to symbol while attaching the methods to the events. So in this case, the earlier method which is attached to the events or delegate will not be cancelled. So in the publisher class, I will go here and I will use this event. I will create the event. I will use this event. So public event custom delegate notify, and instead of this, we will do notify dot invoke. We will call the invoke method notify dot invoke. So in the publisher class, only the publishing of message will happen. Now we'll go to our program class, and here this delegate a variable is not present, so it's giving the error. I will remove this, and you can see here when I use p dot notify plus equal to, it is correct. When I try to use equal to, it will give me error. So in case of events, we only can use plus equal to. So because of this earlier method which is attached to the delegate, will not be cancelled, and p dot notify s2 dot receive message. So only plus equal to we can use here. And one more thing, that we cannot publish the message from program class when we use events. If I try to do p dot notify dot invoke, so invoke method is not accessible. If I do notify dot invoke, you can see that I'm not getting any invoke method here for calling p dot notify dot invoke. So I cannot publish the message outside of the publisher class when we use events. So this is the use of event, and it is recommended that for publisher subscriber model, we should only use events, not the delegates. So this is about publisher and subscriber model in C#. So today we have covered introduction to publisher and subscriber model in C#. Then we have seen practical example in Visual Studio. In our next topic, I will discuss about all string methods in C#. And in the description of the video, I have provided the playlist link, so you can go to the playlist and can watch number of videos. At last, I want to say that please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye.